So in this video, you'll learn how to empty the recycle bin on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step is to simply open the Settings app, and then from here, you want to scroll and select the option Device Care. Under Device Care, you then want to select Storage, and from here, you should see Recycle Bin. Tap on it. So you'll notice that your recycle bin is split into different categories based off of the files that you've deleted. So you have My Files, then you'll have Gallery for any photos or videos, you'll have Contacts for any contacts, you'll have Samsung Notes for any notes, and all sorts of things. So in order for you to empty the recycle bin, you have to start by selecting a category. So say for example, you select My Files, and then from here, you want to tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Empty. Confirm your choice, and now when you go back, you should see the category disappearing. So because My Files is also contains my photos and videos, the gallery option has also disappeared. So again, if you want to continue emptying, just select the category, tap on the three dots, choose Empty, confirm your choice, and as you go along, you'll slowly empty the recycle bin on your Galaxy Tab. Then once it's been emptied, you should see no more categories listed here, and it should say no recycle bin, which means that there's nothing for you to remove from your tablet. And so that's how you can empty the recycle bin on your Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.